How to stop people from seeing your followers on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Instagram app. Now head over to your profile. As you can see, there's no direct option how you can do this. However, there is a workaround. For that, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you want to make sure that you have a personal account and not a creator or business account. So to switch, you want to tap on creator tools and control. Now here, select switch account type. Now tap on switch to personal account. Tap on switch to personal account again. Once it has been switched to personal account, you want to find the option of account privacy on your settings. Now, you want to toggle on the option of private account. Go ahead and do that. Tap on switch to private. After that is done, only people that follow you will be able to see your followers list. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.